Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing the devices so they can see each other. Connect your Android TV and the other device to the same Wi-Fi. This avoids routing delays and permission issues. Once done, install or open a file manager on the TV and grant storage and local network permissions so apps can share files. Make sure developer options are enabled only if required for advanced tools. Now you're ready to open the file manager and locate the folder you want to share. You'll now choose a sharing method based on the other device. Use SMB for Windows/Mac OS, FTP for broad compatibility, or Bluetooth for small transfers. Open the file manager's network or sharing settings and create a shared folder or start an FTP server. This exposes the files over your LAN. Make sure to set a simple username and strong password, or generate a QR code if the app supports it, so the client can connect quickly. Once active, check the server address. You'll finish by connecting from the other device. Open an SMB/FTP client on your phone or PC and enter the address, username, and password shown on the TV, or scan the QR code to auto-configure the connection. Transfer files, monitor speed and free space. When done, stop the server and revoke network or storage permissions to restore security. If connection fails, check the firewall, confirm both devices are on the same subnet, and re-enter credentials. Often a typo or router isolation causes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.